Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel EXOCORP. I am Mikkel and I am delighted to welcome you to our digital community. Here you will find a variety of content ranging from tutorials to optimize the use of your website and CRM, to interviews with experts from around the world, as well as trend analyses and visits to new workspaces. The mission of this channel is to support you in your digital transformation. Whether you are a business leader or a passionate digital expert, this channel is made for you. And if you are eager for knowledge, know that this channel is the relay of a blog called Visionaire Digital, where we address the major digital issues for businesses. We are experts in our fields, but we are not YouTube professionals. Despite this, we will try to publish 2 videos each week on Mondays and Thursdays to bring you regularly practical advice, tips and insights on the world of digital. For this video, I am in Malaysia, specifically in Kuala Lumpur, and we will try to show you cities and unusual places that are very nice for digital nomads. We invite you to ask your questions and share your feedback. And feel free to suggest topics you would like to see. For that, I leave it to you in the comments. In any case, I will see you very soon on the channel. I leave you with beautiful images of Kuala Lumpur.